our surveillance systems are basically confirming that indeed the numbers are going up. Should we be concerned? Yes, we must, because we cannot let down our guard as far as COVID-19 is concerned, because we have seen some countries making serious backtracks and leading up to even, going back to restrictions. So we must continue having vigilance as citizens. We must really, at this time particularly when we are in this season, go back to observing wearing our masks, cleaning our hands, and basically minimizing contacts to the largest extent possible.